This is cacao, and apparently the flesh around it, the white flesh that you can see, is like fruity. It's nice. This one's been fermented and then dried. Fermented for 7 days and dried for 10 days. Apparently it's like an almond. Oh, you can taste it. You can taste the cacao nibs inside. You can see it.
So we have ground chocolate in one hand, threw some sugar in there.
And we also have little seeds.
A little bit of nuts too, so now we're just making our own chocolate.
My own little chocolate ball that I've made with sugar, cacao, and little seeds inside. Ooh. It is kind of like a little truffle. It's really nice. And this was literally fresh ground. It just happened. Do you like it? It's very sugary.
I was going to say the raw sugar is just
very raw.
present.
Yep.
In cases.